Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sheena Jones. I wanted to make this video to share with you guys a video by the name of Samuel B. He is a YouTuber. He has great content, you guys. So please check out his YouTube channel. I'm going to put his link to his YouTube channel below, as well as these opportunities that he's going to talk about. He talks about opportunities that are remote that you can do from home, as well as ones that you can do if you're somebody that wants to get out of the house and make some easy extra cash. But without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it.
If you want to make a few $100s to a few $1,000s without any real skills, I've got 12 websites and apps that you need to see. Make sure you watch the entire video so you can find the right side hustle for you to get started making money today. So you probably don't love doing laundry. It's not terrible, it's not fun, but what if you're getting paid $20 an hour to do it? If this sounds like a good deal, you need SudShare. Think of it kind of like the Uber Eats of laundry. So when people need their laundry done, they jump on the SudShare app and book it in. You pick it up, wash it, fold it, and return it. Not rocket science. Now this may not be glamorous, but let's face it, it's not difficult work. Head over to SudShare and click Join the Team. Then click Start Now and put your phone number in. You'll receive a link to download the app and sign up. After a brief training course, you'll be ready to start making money. Now the top Sudsters, that's what you'll be called. Pull your chin in now, Sudster. Make over $5,000 per month. And you're guaranteed to make at least $15 plus tips per order. I'll give this 4.5 stars. There's some solid earning potential and it's really easy to get started. Over 160,000 people can't be wrong when they give this next app a 4.7 star rating. It's called Google Opinion Rewards, and as the name suggests, it's owned by Google. Now they're going to pay you for answering quick surveys. This app is simple to use and allows you to make money when you have a few spare minutes. On a train, on a bus, waiting in line at the grocery store, open the app and make yourself some quick, easy money. Download the app on your iOS or Android device, then go through the basic setup. The app will send you notifications whenever there's a new survey waiting for you. Surveys typically take less than 20 seconds and the money is paid into your PayPal account. Now, this app isn't going to make you rich, but it's super quick and super easy. If you could make a few extra dollars in your downtime with little to no effort, why wouldn't you? I give this 2 stars. It's easy, but isn't going to make you a life-changing amount of money. While you're here, tap the like button and give the YouTube algo a nudge. So, would you like up to $1,500 for literally doing nothing? Carvertise will pay you to drive around just like you normally would. The catch is that your car will be used for advertising. So Carvertise will apply a vinyl wrap to your car and then pay you every month through direct deposit. Payments range from $450 to $1,500 per campaign. Now I don't know about you, but this sounds like seriously easy money. So if you don't mind driving around with advertising on your car, sign up today and start bringing in some extra cash. I give this one 5 stars because who doesn't like free money? Now, if you don't fancy leaving the comfort of your home, then why not get paid to test apps and websites and give your honest opinion? Trimata will pay you $10 or more per test. All you have to do is browse sites and let people know what you think. This is how it works. Head over to the website and click Get Paid to Test. Sign up and Trimata will start sending you tests. All you have to do is be yourself and use the website just as you would in a real life situation. Your screen and audio will be recorded as you browse websites. You just need to voice your thoughts and opinions out loud so the developers can understand your user experience. There's no limit to the number of tests you can do. Expect to be sent a few each week. Now, this definitely isn't full-time work, but it's a great way to earn a few extra dollars in your spare time. Payments are sent out every weekday morning through PayPal, so you'll be paid quickly once your test has been cleared for payment. I'm going to give this one 4 stars. You're not going to make a heap of money, but it's super easy, so extra cash may as well be in your pocket. Now, how does $3,000 to $4,000 per month sound for writing content? That's how much this lady made using Text Broker. They pay people like you to write content for companies. This can be anything from basic articles, needing little to no research, through to in-depth articles, which will need a heap of research. You can even get paid to translate articles into different languages. So if you're someone who can speak more than one language, that's an easy way for you to make a quick buck. Head over to Text Broker. Click I Write Content, then Free Author Registration. Text Broker lets you work where you want, when you want, and for as long as you want. This gives you the power to control how much money you make. Now, as a beginner, the pay won't be great, but as you improve your skills, you'll be given higher quality jobs and earn up to 5 times the amount. Payments are processed twice a week, so if you're a good writer, jump on board. I'm going to give this 3 stars. You can make some decent money from it, but it will require quite a lot of work. Now, if you'd rather be taking photos, you need Snapwire. It connects you with businesses who are willing to pay a premium to use your content. In addition to photos, Snapwire also lets you upload videos, art, and graphic design. Download the app, create a portfolio, and when a business buys one of your works, you get a commission. You also get access to paid photo requests and challenges. These allow you to submit work to meet a brief. When a client chooses your photo, you get paid anywhere from $25 to several $100s. So if you're already taking photos for sites like Instagram, then why not upload them to Snapwire as well and make some extra cash in the process? 4 stars. It's not a lot of work for the potential to earn more money. So if you're a good typer and a great listener, put those skills to work with Scribby. It's as simple as chilling in your home, listening to audio and transcribing it. All you need to get started is a computer and an internet connection. Sign up as a transcriber, link to your PayPal account, then take a transcription test. Now the great part is, Scribby gives you an automated transcript. This saves you 60% of the typing effort. You'll listen to recorded conversations, presentations, and meetings. You just have to identify mistakes in the transcript and correct them. Beginners can earn $800 per month with the potential to earn up to $3,200 per month once you develop your skills. So if you're a great listener, go check out Scribby. 3.5 stars. You can make good money, but it will be a solid time commitment. Do you want to make money while you're shopping? If so, you need to become a field agent. Field Agent is an app that lets you gather information for some of the world's biggest brands and retailers. You take photos, share your opinion, and complete tasks to help companies deliver the best product and experience possible. Now, the great thing about Field Agent is that you can use it as you go about everyday chores like shopping. Tasks can include audits, where you take photos and collect information about in-store products, I Spies, where you collect details and UPC codes, and scavenger hunts, where your job is to find specific products in stores. To get started, download the Field Agent app, then reserve and complete a job. Field Agent will check your submission, then deposit cash straight into your bank account. With around 12,000 reviews on the App Store, Field Agent is already helping more than 2 million people to make extra money. 5 stars. With over 29,000 reviews and a 4.6 star rating on Trustpilot, this next app is sure to give you some free cash. And that's because it's called free cash. With free cash, you can get paid for testing websites, apps, taking surveys, and much more. They've made earning money as easy as possible, with the potential to earn up to $77 per offer. Sign up, choose a task, complete it, and get paid. They offer instant payouts into your PayPal account, or you can choose to get paid in Bitcoin or gift cards. 4 stars. People like it, it's easy to use. Give it a shot. Did you know you can make thousands per month scheduling meetings, paying bills, booking travel? This is possible thanks to a website called Zirtual. What's great is that as you increase your skill set, you can grow your earning potential to over $5,000 per month. Not too shabby. Zirtual lets you team up with businesses to become their virtual assistant. Your skills, experience, and interests are matched with clients. This lets you work to your strengths and help businesses in their everyday tasks. To get started, head over to zirtual.com/jobs. They list all the current positions for virtual assistants, so you can apply and get started. 4.5 stars. While you will need to apply for a position, the earning potential makes this a solid performer capable of earning you a full-time income.
Imagine if dozens of small businesses in your town funneled $299 straight into your bank account every
Is a solid performer capable of earning you a full-time income. Usertesting.com is the ultimate side hustle that gets you paid for sharing your perspective on products and experiences. With a pay rate of $10 for every 20-minute video you complete, it's a solid hustle for earning extra money. The best part is that you don't even need to leave your house. Head over to usertesting.com, click Get Paid to Test, enter your email address. Now answer some screening questions to get you matched with the best opportunities. Once approved, you can view available tests in your contributor dashboard. You can take a test at any time on any day of the week. New tests are posted daily, so you never run dry. Now, my hot tip is to make sure you fill out the profile. The more complete it is, the more tests that you will qualify for and the more money that you will make. Here's a few tips to help you get selected for tests. Make sure your audio quality is good. I suggest buying a cheap USB microphone. It will give you much better sound quality than using your computer's inbuilt mic. This mic on Amazon is only $60 and has over 16,000 ratings. It's made by Audio-Technica, so you know it's going to be a solid performer. Speak clearly and fluently. English doesn't have to be your first language, but you do need the ability to clearly express your thoughts. Sit in a calm, noise-free room when you record your videos. The higher the quality video you deliver, the more tests you'll be given and the more money you'll make. Payment is sent out via PayPal and you can expect to be paid 7 days after completing a test. Now, this isn't going to replace a 9 to 5, but it can give you some solid supplemental income. 5 stars. Now, would you rather be working or spending your time taking photos and creating art? MyPic is a platform for artists, photographers and influencers to sell their work online and make money for free. It empowers you with print-on-demand manufacturing, so you can create a customized print store. You upload your artwork and MyPic handles everything else. Now, you can't get any easier than that. Head to MyPic and click Get Started. Sign up and then upload and tag your art. Select the products that you want to sell and promote them on social media. Now, people from around the world can own your art as custom prints and fashion. Anytime you make a sale, withdraw your commission via PayPal. That all sounds really easy. 5 stars. Now, if you want to seriously increase your income with side hustles, you need to check out this video. It'll show you 3 ways to make $900 per day. While you're here, tap the like button and give the YouTube algo a nudge. Don't forget to subscribe for some more money-making ideas. Thanks for watching.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to put the link to Samuel B's YouTube channel so you can check out his channel and watch everything that he does upload, because he does upload some great content to check out. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And I'm also going to put the links to each of those opportunities in the description section as well as in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time.